Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Let us now witness the parade of the animal ambassadors.
Meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice po, mga kuya natin are wearing the protective gloves because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. The raptors guys practice kleptoparasitism. Kleptoparasitism is stealing of food from the other animal. Sinunguha sila ng pagkain from the other animals po. Alright, ibigin na natin ang ating third raptor. Pinagtatawagin si Pagaspas, our Philippine serpent eagle. And we will show you how they handle yung Pagaspas. Utang natin yung kasama ko boy. And there you go. Now folks, what's their flight? They will lock on the dive of their target talons first. They are smart enough to identify which prey are venomous and non-venomous and will adjust their attacks based on their targets. Now, Philippine serpent eagle are endemic here in the Philippines, meaning they can only be found here in the Philippines, which is based from their name. Okay, gusto mo picture kay Pagaspas? Ayan, you can take pictures po kay Pagaspas. Alright, now, ibibigay na natin ang ating last raptor. mga tutulong animals. Kaya naman, their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about these animals, they are the quietest birds when at flight. Hindi po natin maririnig ang kanilang mga papak kapag sila ay lumilipad.
Now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors.
But here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors. Namely,
The Brahminic kite, the white-bellied sea eagle,
the Philippine serpent eagle,
and the brass.
and as of for our raptors, folks, palakpakan po natin. At syempre, ating mga walking trainer. Sina Kuya Siren, Kuya Dexter, Kuya Gucci, at Kuya Gino. Thank you so much, mga kuyas. Okay, uwi na sila. Now, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Moving on na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Galing pa po ito ng Brazil, particularly in Amazon forest. So may call on Bora. Once again,
Bora, and there you go.
okay, folks.
That is Bora, our blue and gold mako.
Alright, pala na ba? Alright, once again, folks.
This is Bora,
Our blue and gold macaw with a scientific name of Araararona, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak, ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Just like most parrots, guys. Si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet nga ba?
papakita yan Barak using a Filipino footwear called Kadang-kadang. Alright, Barak.
Sumot.
It's
Paklayan na is zygodactyl feet. After throws, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and now we get it up. I got so far to the right, left, and boom, good boy. Barak na dahil yan, Barak. High five kay Kuya Richie. Naway, high five. One more. Naku folks, napaka-sweet dito ni Barak na Barak. Kiss to Kuya Richie. Nabibigyan ng kiss si Kuya Richie. Okay, one more para Kuya Richie. Okay, one more. Medyo bigyan pa raw sila. One more ka, Barak. Alright, at syempre, hindi rin magpapahuwi yung both. Kiss din ako Kuya Richie. Joke lang. Alright, now folks, at hindi lang yan. Si Barak ay isang eco warrior din. Who here segregates their trash. Sino dito ang nagsesegregate ng mga basura? Everyone, taas kamay. Nagsesegregate. Taas kamay. Okay, si Ma'am. Ano yun? Hindi ka nagsesegregate? Ito po ngayong hapon tuturot dahil parang paano mag-segregate? Ito yung basura. So, anong nandyan, Kuya Richie? Ang ating basura. And we have a biodegradable open. Siyempre, check it parang kung magkano ba? And also, we have a non-biodegradable open. Once again, i-check ka naman kung magkano ang ating mga basura. Alright, ako bang ready na si parang Kuya Richie? Na Kuya Richie, ating count of 3 ng mga basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay, hindi ko na nakapisa. Plastic sa kanila na plastic. Sila na ang biodegradable open. Good boy, namin sign. Ituloy naman marap. Plastic naman, siyempre sa kanila na plastic. Sila na ang biodegradable open. May dalaw pang basura, boy. Leaf, dahon, siyempre sa kanila na dahon. Sila biodegradable open. One piece of trash na, boy. Ito, leaf, dahon, siyempre sa kanila na dahon. Sila biodegradable open. Palatakan po natin si Barak po. At dahil galing ka ng Brazil, si Barak, magpapakalan na po si Barak, guys. Okay, kung mga mamansur mga ating mga kuya, wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Alright, nandito sila, wave bye-bye. Alright, Barak, bye-bye ka na. Kasi bye-bye siya sa boy. Na Barak, bye-bye na. Wave bye-bye. Barak, wave bye-bye na, boy. Ano? Barak. Barak, wave bye-bye na daw sa kanila, oh. Barak. Hindi kami dapat sa tinig. O sino Kuya Richie, kung na lang natin tinig Kuya Richie. Ito pa daw ni Barak mag-stay sa show. Alright, okay, folks. This is Barak. Luring gold na kami, Kuya Richie. Palakpakan din natin silang dalawa, guys. Thank you so much to the both of you. By the way, guys, Luring gold Paco are the fourth largest Paco in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth Paco. Now, proceed na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Silang tinatawag na the alarm clock of the rainforest. The Kalaw.
The Philippine Great Hornbill na si Mr. Bill. Now come here now, boy.
There you go, siyempre. Ang kanyang younger brother na si JJ. And once again, folks, this is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with a scientific name of Cruceros mindanensis. Mindaw in Mindanao, and ensis meaning Bilog practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... Asa yung message ko? One more pa daw. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Ready na ating mga bisita, mga Kuya Benexter, Kuya G-Mark. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw now, folks? Prepare your cameras, mabilis lang po. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect match! Mr. Bill and JJ. Hello guys, we can see a hornbill doing that in a while. You are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nag-catch ng lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin niya ating girl na kalaw. Did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sakto na ako, buti pa sa ating mga kalaw, no, may forever. No, sa mga single ladies natin dyan, kung naghahanap kayo ng forever, andito lang po ang ating mga trainers na. Ay, mga trainers, mga kalaw, mga kinakilas pa ang ating mga kalaw. Now, folks, prepare your cameras, mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly, that is our 15th grade hornbill, also known as the kalaw. The alarm flag of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palapakan po natin ang ating at syempre, sino po yung G-Mark? Kuya Dexter. Now guys, when we talk about hornbills, unlike most birds walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place. Tumatalog sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Nabuti na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Puting-puti po ito guys, just like a fox. And I got on Apollo. And once again folks, that is Apollo, our umbrella crested cockatoo, with a scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now guys, did you know Apollo is a multi-talented star? Who wants to see Apollo next? Raise your hand. Once again, who wants to see Apollo next? Raise your hand. Gusto mag-kasi ako sa okay, how about Kuya Gucci? Who wants to see Kuya Gucci next? Raise your hand! Nagtang Kuya Gucci, kayo naman yung form sa sayo ngayon. Now, Ate Christine, hit it. Sa Istanbul, Pete Davis, by Michael Jackson, so atras yung boy. Apollo, then this time, let's see his acting skills. Magaling kong umarte si Apollo, folks. Magaling kong artista. Now, Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? May akin po, may predator. Ano gagawin? Patay, good boy, Apollo. That is their natural reaction po. They're doing that in a while to fool their predators. So, magpatay-patayan sila, folks. Okay, isang patay. Naman mo naman. Apollo, may agila sa itaas po. Anong gagawin? Kung may agila sa itaas, anong gagawin? Kung may agila, wait lang talaga, folks. Tumalong. Okay, last na lang. Anong gagawin kung may agila? Ayan na ba yan? Grabe na talaga ako. Wala na makapagpapatid. Kung talaga ba yun. Kung pwede ko mag-intervene si Apollo? Ako nag-intervene kita. Pwede intervene. Pwede ba? Okay, mag-intervene guys. So dito tayo sa center. At Apollo, sumagot ka na maayos Apollo ha. Okay na Apollo. Look at Kuya Gucci. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Kuya Gucci mo Apollo? Pogi? Oo, so Kuya Gucci sa Pogi. Okay. Okay, how about Pino? No? How about Pino, Kuya Apollo? Look at me. I'm a good looking. Pogi ba ako Apollo? Siyempre, mabawi ako about dito tayo sa ating mga guests. Okay, about ito si Mama Floral. Floral, may shade sa kanyang buwan. Ay, pagod sa kayo si Pino. Maganda ba si Ma'am? Oh, si Mama Floral. Maganda ba yun? Sabi niya po. Ayaw sa lalaki. Ito si Sir na naka-black ko. Black din yung cup. Look at Sir. Pogi ba si Sir? Oh, Sir, pogi ka lang na kuya. Kuya na ako ngayon. May balas na lang daw. Please, Apollo, look at me. May good looking. Pogi ba ako? Sige na, Apollo, bulat. Okay, post na lang natin pilitin si Apollo. Guys, palapakan na lang po natin si Apollo. Hindi na ngayon yung musik kayo talaga. Alright, let's proceed na sa ating next animal ambassador. Kapatid ko ni Apollo na may galon, Jumbo. And that is Jumbo or other umbrella transportation. And this afternoon, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints. Using a bicycle. No jumbo, sakay. Still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Nothing to worry about kung scooter ang tayo siya o paano gumamit na ang scooter ay kung kahit na bike, kaya rin mag-scooter na siya po sa kailan kung nandang na matulas yung table. Para lang good boy. So for you see guys, even our animals that come from Mother Nature, they can also help by doing reduce, reuse, recycle, and repurpose and some alternative ways for your transportation. And that's all for Joko folks. Palakpakan po natin. Thank you so much, Kuya Saren at Joko. Okay, let's proceed na sa ating next animal ambassador. 3-in-1 po ito. But before that, I have a question. Okay, what animals have 9 lives? Cats. Kung sa rin tama ito. Kung si Mickey ay mouse, si Donald ay dapat naman si Winnie. Ay, ba sinayap si Winnie? Sino nagsabi ng po? Okay, ito na for my last question. What kind of animal ang nahuka na katabi nyo ngayon? Sige mo na lang. Tapos, meron ang attention to your left side, that is Teddy, or Palawan bear. The nose, yes, face like a cat, the body like a bear, tail like a fox. That's it, guys. Yes po, pero syempre, wala natin silang kapitan na, baka makagat tayo. Issue tayo. But I promise you, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Omnivores po pala to sila. Kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas, at karne. At ngayong hapon, Kuya Saren, pinapakain ko kayo. Pakita ko sa kanila, Kuya. Ano yan, folks? Saging or bananas, which are foods. Once again, omnivores sila, ha? Na may tanong ako sa inyo. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore. Okay, how about carne or beef? Carnivore. How about herbs, grasses, at karne, eh? Omnivores. Ito, last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng fruits or prutas? Tanawan, fruit salad. Sino sabi ng fruit salad? Hindi fruit salad yung sabot, ha? Hindi ko dyan sa Nicolo. Sino kakaltas ko? Bibigyan doon ng jacket ko yung salad ngayon, no? Kuya Bear? Ano di ako? Ikaw ba naman ka? Sige, ala. O sige, folks, tuturuan ko na lang kayo, guys. Now, folks, the correct answer is frugivore. Okay, sige nga, pagkakikit kayo. Ano yun? Ayan, frugivore. Ay, kumakain ng fruits or prutas. Once again, frugivore. Hindi fajibar, ha? Alright, now Teddy is back home na. Perfect. Ulo as well. Kuya! Okay na folks, ito na pala ang ating last animal ambassador. Alam niyo ba guys, wala talaga yung hotdog dito folks. Ito yung artista sa amin guys. Ang itinitilian at ikinagkikiligan ng ating kababaihan, the fan favorite na sina Piolo at si Daniel. Ang awag Yolo? Si Daniel? Si John Lloyd? Oh, Pinoy. Sabi ko, sumulan mo siya. Hindi talaga mga kuya. Folks, once again, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Sabi kasi ng ating mga trainers, wala daw po si Piolo at si Daniel sa likuran na nakatakas daw po kasi umuulan guys. Pero sabi ng ating mga trainers, nandito lang daw po sila sa ating harapan. Maybe check under your seats na lang Balvin. Tulungan yung pinanapin ang aming mga hayop po. Papagalitan kami sa host namin. Tumawala sila guys. And folks, kung ano makita nyo, just relax lang at huwag kayong magpanik. Okay! Alright, wait lang natin sila. Nandiyan ka mga kuya! Sabi ko sa iyo, once again folks, you can touch it naman po, you can hold it. Don't you worry guys, already train na po yan ang ating mga anas. So huwag kayong magalala, huwag kayong matakot, train na po yan sila. Andiyan naman ang mga COVID trainers natin, sila naman mag-guide sa inyo. Sa ating mga bisita na hindi pa nakapag-experience ng hawak ng ahas, it's your time para hawakan ang ating mga ahas folks, okay? Sige, hindi pa nakapag-hawak. thank you so much po ng kuya for finding Piolo at Daniel. Alright, so kayo once again, already trained na po yan, no? Alright. Okay, ayan na. Alright, thank you so much Kuya Jimar at Kuya Richie for finding Piolo at Daniel. Alright? Dandahan na, Pijan, talaga po.
Hindi mo sila sasaktan din yan sa lives.
Alright, once again, thank you so much mga kuya for finding Piolo at Daniel. Now, relax lang muna, upo lang muna tayo. Malapit na tayo matapos na. Alright. Now, gusto ko itong marinig sa inyo. Okay lang ba kayo? One more pa lang, are you okay? O sige, kasi okay kayo ngayong hapon, pimili tayo ng 2 adult guests po. Hindi ako yung pipili ha, yung mga trainers natin, sumusunod lang ako sa kanila kung sino pipili. Nahin natin si Kuya Jimar. Si Ma'am daw na nasa bleacher, black yung inner niya, nakapulga dots ba yan si Ma'am? Oh, yes Ma'am, katabi ni Ma'am na nagkaroon. Okay, dito na po tayo Ma'am. Folks, palapagan po natin si Ma'am, please. Once again Ma'am, already trained na po to, so huwag kayong makalala. Alright, don't you worry po. Already trained na po yan. Hindi ka na Ma'am? Marami kayong likes na matatanggap dito. Naka-live pa tayo ngayon natin, Christine. Lagay ko lang internet. Alright, dito po tayo Ma'am. Alright, dito po tayo Ma'am. Ayan, thank you so much Ma'am for participating. Don't you worry Ma'am, may kasama ka ngayon. Richie, sino pipili natin ngayon? Richie. Si Ma'am daw na naka-black. Ayan, si Ma'am Ash. Dito na po tayo Ma'am. Folks! Ano po kilala niyo to? Palagpagan po natin si Ma'am Ash, please. Alright, dito na po tayo Ma'am. Alright, we promise you. Already trained na po to. Ayan, dito po tayo sa center. Okay, dito tayo banda. Medyo ulan na kasi kuya. Alright, come on, tabihan niyo ako. Now, before we meet Piolo at Daniel, syempre kinalanin natin ating dalawang bisita. Nahin natin si Mama. What is your name and where are you from po? Ma'am Irish from Davao. Palakpakan po natin guys. How about you Ma'am? Introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from?
I'm Ash. I'm from Davao.
Mama Ash from Davao. Kilala niyo ba siya guys? Palakpakan po natin folks. Alright, now girls, are you ready? Now girls, meet our gentle giants, okay? O, relax ka lang Ma'am Ash. Don't you worry. Already trained na po yan. Huwag kang mag-alala. Andiyan naman si Kuya Richie. Or you can touch it ka lang, okay? Once again folks, this is our gentle giants and ating mga perfect Python with the scientific name of Python pipittatus. They are the third largest species snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Piolo is nasa 24 kilograms at Daniel is nasa 8 to 9 kilograms. Okay? Relax ka lang Ma'am Ash, don't you worry. And there you go. Alright, now, unahin natin si Ma'am. Okay, kaya kita Ma'am Ash. Okay, don't you worry. Ayan, andito ako. Okay, ayan na yung ulo ng mga kakilala. Alright, now Ma'am Ash, sino po kasama natin? Who are you with mo?
I'm with my friend, Dennis and Jeffers.
Nasaan sila? Taas kamay! Hello mga sir, mabuhay pareho. Teka lang sa Facebook photos for her please. Okay? Pang-money daw ni Ma'am Ash. Pang-Facebook, pang-Instagram Ma'am Ash. Show yung Valentina post daw. Okay, okay na ba friend? Alright, we should be good na. Thank you so much Ma'am Ash for participating. Now Ma'am Ash, you can take back to your seats. Palapakan po natin si Ma'am Ash guys. Alright! Eto si Ma'am naman. Ma'am, dito tayo. Gusto tayo. Relax lang Ma'am. We promise you talaga. Already train mo. Dito tayo. Kasi mula na Ma'am. Na Ma'am, sino po kasama natin? Who are you with po? Oh, family. Asan sila family? Taas naman. Now, family! Yes, family. Relax na lang Ma'am. Kasi kanila. Now, family. Take lots of beautiful photos for her, please. Don't you worry Ma'am. Already train mo yan. Once again, family. Take lots of beautiful photos for her, please. Siguro po yung natakot na si Ma'am. Alright na Kuya Richie. Okay, ayan na. Usok ng ulan. No Ma'am? Pwede ka na makabalik sa inyo po. Thank you so much po. Palakpakan po natin silang dalawa guys. Now folks, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission that is to protect, to preserve, and to educate people about these lovely animals. The moment that you enter these facilities, you are not just here to take some photos or videos with our animals. You are already helping us with our mission. That's why a round of applause for yourself, please. Now folks, pakilala ko sa inyo ang aking mga pogi trainers.
Kuya Richie, Kuya Jimar, Kuya Siren, Kuya Gucci, Kuya Doy Doy, at syempre ang mga ng tour guide, Kuya Tikpak. So once again folks, my name is Kuya Boy. We are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay pareho! Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong tanan.